Careful! This is amazing. This is amazing! Oh my god. Oof. It's cold out here. Real cold. Oh god. Wow!
Toxic barrel.
Yeah!
No. Where's Noah?
Whoa! Oh, am I in front of you guys? Yeah, I'm just gonna get out of your way just in case. Whoa! Oh, that was dang! Wow!
That was a surprise.
That wasn't just a surprise. That was... Oh! Wow, that's cool! Over there! Over there! Firework over there! Look, Mom's right there, look. No, it's right there, look, smile. Look at Mom. When are you going to give me this?
Huh?
Look out here. Nice.
I swear to God.
Cray, Mom.
TNT barrel.
TNT barrel. Cool. It's brighter than my future.
Darn it. Where do we go? Where do we go? Whoa! Hey! Whoa! This is brighter than my future, no cap fam. Whoa! It is.
No, but my big butt right there in the way.
You weren't in it anyway.
Hey Tim, I'm recording this too.
Now you're in it.
Yeah, now he is in it. Oh my god, that scared me.
And no, it doesn't. Okay. Another main squeeze for the grand finale.
Whoa! There's one over there.
Oh, Allegiance. I like Allegiance.
The Allegiance. Yeah,
Allegiance to the firework.
I did that. We did that 2 years ago because last year for the 4th of July we went to Texas, and we know. Yeah, it was 2 or 3 years ago. We had the Allegiance. Not only was it loud, it was pretty awesome.
Was it good?
Yes, it was.
The pictures look really good on it.
Yeah.
I've never actually seen it go. Oh, fire.
Wow, that was awesome.
Fire!
Yeah, blow fire like a volcanic eruption. Wait, no, that's not. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy. I'm moving back. 3, 2, 1. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. The Allegiance is the best on-ground firework I will ever see in my life. Well, I mean, I've done it a couple years ago, but... Wow, this is awesome! Hey Mom, I think the people at Rite Aid over there are gonna be mad. Oh no. It's so loud. Well, I mean, it's not that loud, but you know what I mean. What? Now I'm concerned. Oh my God! Whoa! This is amazing! Yeah! Where this firework is, I think another firework went off in the thing. Woo! There we go, I did my best.